Travis and Wilmington has severe thunderstorm warning for western Clark County, northwestern Greene County, eastern Montgomery County, southeastern Miami County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Moraine, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dayton, Springfield, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, Vandalia, Bellbrook, New Carlisle, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Enon, Wilberforce, Brown, Riverside, Northampton, Donaldsville, Centerville, and Green Meadows. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 35 and 53. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the